Hello everyone, this is my review of the Immi Tom Yum Shrimp Ramen Noodles. As someone who doesn't follow a plant-based low-carb diet, I was generally impressed. The flavors are bold and authentic, and they perfectly capture a tangy, spicy essence of ramen noodles. They don't taste like regular ramen noodles because it's plant-based, so they have a different taste to the noodles, but it's not a bad taste. It's basically just different. While the shrimp flavor might not satisfy traditional seafood lovers, it still delivers a plant-based taste that complements both nicely. Overall, the ramen is I guess, is a game changer if you want to eat better and stuff. The meal both is delicious and it's gluten free, and I highly recommend it. So I hope